like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make coconut shell board. So let's get started. Let's take a coconut shell. I am going to cover this shell with violet color. So let's color it. So it has been colored. Let's keep it for drying for some time. Now let's take a paper to make hairs and cut it in strips. So let's take scissors and cut it like this way. So it has been cut. Let's roll it like this way. And now let's take this. Now let's take this. Let's take 2 eyes, 2 wings, 1 beak, 2 pistachio shells which I have colored it with violet color. Now let's take a shell. Now I am going to stick this with glue gun. Let's take this hair. Now stick this eye. And a coconut shell board is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.